After using ChatGPT for most of my time, it's time for me to give my review, in-depth review. In this video, you're gonna be hearing from me personally how I use my ChatGPT OpenAI in terms of the advanced tools for productivity and also for creativity. Now, AI technology is reshaping industries, offering innovative ways to enhance creativity, productivity, and also business growth. Now, with numerous options available, choosing the right, best, or maybe the right tool can actually be overwhelming. And that's why I'm sharing this video as my first review when it comes to AI tools, so that when you end this, at the end of this video, you're going to be knowing if ChatGPT is for you or not for you as a content creator, or maybe as a marketer, or as an entrepreneur. You will learn how to use it effectively, their pros and also the cons of using ChatGPT, and monetization opportunities. By the end of this video, actually, you will have a clear mind of what's going on and how you can use ChatGPT for your own benefit, especially in 2025 as a content creator, as a marketer, or as a person who owns a business. Now, let's dive in without wasting time. ChatGPT by OpenAI is a cutting-edge tool for generating natural language text. Now, professionals, creators, and also businesses widely use it to draft content, brainstorm ideas, and also automate communication. I'm sure by now most of you are familiar with it. If you are new to it, don't worry. I'm going to be breaking it down for you for easy understanding. So let's talk about how does ChatGPT work. Now, number one, you can use ChatGPT for content creation. By crafting detailed and clear prompts, you can unlock its full potential for a variety of creative and also professional tasks. For example, you can use ChatGPT to write blog posts, marketing copy, or articles tailored to your audience. Simply input a prompt specifying the tone, style, and also the purpose of your content, such as write 100-word blog post about how to save money while traveling. Now, and ChatGPT will generate text in seconds. For best results, I highly recommend you to repeat by asking for revisions, or maybe for more clarity, you can ask it to provide more clarification. Now, this allows content creators, businesses, and also freelancers to save time and focus on strategic plans while producing engaging and well-structured content. Another way to use ChatGPT is actually in terms of customer support. ChatGPT can revolutionize customer support by automating response to frequently asked questions, or what we normally see as FAQs, okay? Now, or generating script for chatbots. Businesses can train ChatGPT to respond to common queries such as pricing, product features, or maybe troubleshooting tips by providing them with sample prompts and also preferred response style. For example, a prompt like write a polite response to a customer asking about delivery delays. It can yield quick, professional, and also nice replies. Additionally, ChatGPT is excellent for creating chatbot conversation flows, ensuring a seamless experience for customers. By using ChatGPT, businesses save time, reduce response delays, and also provide consistent and high quality communication with minimal effort. Another way you can actually use ChatGPT is by you brainstorming. ChatGPT is a powerful brainstorming partner, helping you generate fresh and also innovative ideas in seconds. Whether you are planning video content, naming a new startup, or imagining a creative project, ChatGPT can actually provide a different suggestion tailored to your needs. For example, if you are struggling to come up with YouTube video ideas, you can prompt ChatGPT with maybe for instance, suggest 10 video ideas about sustainable living and receive a unique, well-rounded concept. Now, similarly, for naming a startup, prompts like suggest modern and also catchy names for a tech company focused on AI solutions. This can also yield options that resonate with your target audience. Now, by using ChatGPT, creators and entrepreneurs can actually overcome creative blocks and spark inspiration effortlessly. So what are you waiting for? Give it a try and let me know how it goes. If you are using ChatGPT, feel free to share in the comments section or just write ChatGPT. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. Of course, nothing is too good that doesn't have its good side and also its bad side. So let's explore some of the advantages and also some of the disadvantages of using this site as a person who has used it several times. First pro about ChatGPT, it is that it saves time. It can actually generate high quality content or ideas within seconds, significantly reducing the time required for tasks like writing, brainstorming, and also for creating scripts. Now, another option or another idea in terms of pros, it is like it has spontaneous, its user-friendly interface makes it easy for anyone to start using, regardless of technical expertise. You can simply type a prompt and the tool does the heavy lifting. Another way, or maybe another useful way, advantage of ChatGPT, it is that it is affordable for most users. Actually, I normally use the free version most of the time. With the free and relatable, relatively low-cost subscription plan, such as ChatGPT Plus, it is accessible to a wide range of users, from freelancers to businesses to marketers and everyone. Let's talk about some of the cons. One thing I notice about ChatGPT, it is in terms of actually factual accuracy, which depends on user input. ChatGPT relies on the quality and specificity of prompts. If the input lacks clarity or is poorly structured, now the output may include inaccuracy, and also it might be irrelevant information. That's why you have to make sure that you are prompting it very well, or maybe you are asking it the right questions and also putting in more clarifications. Another con that I notice about ChatGPT, it is in terms of no real-time data integration. It operates on static knowledge. This means that up to its training, or maybe up to its last training cutoff, it cannot access or integrate real-time information like breaking news or live updates, which limits its user time sensitive or maybe sensitive task. Another con I notice about ChatGPT, it is like just like all the other AI stuff, they lack the sense of humanization or the lack of human feelings, and that's why it's gonna most of the time, depending on the input or depending on how you have actually done how you have actually put or maybe given it the text, it can actually just give you generic answers. That's why you have to, if you're using it, you have to make it actually add your own style and your own tone. Now let's see some of the ways on how you can actually monetize ChatGPT, practical strategies that I have personally used. Now, you see, one thing that I know for sure that will help you when it comes to actually doing making extra money when it comes to this AI tool, it is in terms of affiliate marketing. Many of these tools, such as the ChatGPT, they offer affiliate programs, okay? Even if it is not directly, you can actually promote these tools on blogs, YouTube channels, or maybe social media and earn commission for each sign up or maybe for each purchase. Another way to monetize it is actually by you doing what? Making digital product. AI tools like ChatGPT, also other tools like Canva, Midjourney, all of them, you can design and sell digital products. You can use ChatGPT to give you actually maybe to create prompts for the designs, and then create these prompts using other AI tools like I said, Canva and Midjourney or Design AI, and then create templates, planners, ebooks with Canva or any other tool that you are using. Design stunning art prints using Midjourney, and you can sell these products on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. Another amazing way to utilize a ChatGPT and create some money, it is in terms of actually content creation services. You can leverage this tool and actually offer services such as copywriting for businesses, video creation for marketing campaign, social media content development, and also freelancing platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, which are great place to find clients. Another way to utilize is in terms of actually coaching and consulting. As an expert in using these AI tools, or maybe when you learn more about AI like ChatGPT, you can offer coaching and also consulting services. Teach individuals or businesses how to use ChatGPT or other AI tools effectively to improve their workflows. This can be monetized through webinars, online courses, or one-on-one sessions. So guys, if you're thinking to dive into ChatGPT, I kid you not, it has a lot to actually offer. Now, ChatGPT and other AI tools can help you in various ways, and they are actually revolutionizing productivity and also creativity. From content creation to e-commerce and digital marketing, these tools empower individuals and also businesses to achieve more in less time. By mastering these tools and applying the monetization strategy outlined above, you can actually unlock new opportunities to generate income, save time, and as well as stay ahead in the AI revolution. Start exploring today and take your personal or professional project to the next level, and let me know in the comment section what is your favorite way to use ChatGPT or to use this AI tool. I'll see you next in my next video in terms of reviewing the ChatGPT or reviewing the AI stuff. Bye.